Everyone is talking about Chat GPT. Well, today, on AI Renaissance, we're diving headfirst into this new AI software that is on the cutting edge of AI. We will look into the best practices when using Chat GPT. But before we begin, don't forget to subscribe and hit that notification bell because we're about to unravel the future of AI. Well, let's jump right in. Chat GPT has revolutionized the way we interact with AI. Its natural language understanding and generation capabilities make it a versatile tool for various tasks. However, to harness its full potential, users need to be aware of various hacks and tips. In this article, we will explore new Chat GPT hacks that will help you use this AI model more efficiently, whether you're a content creator, programmer, or simply curious about AI technology. Before diving into the hacks, it's crucial to understand the fundamentals of Chat GPT. This AI model is based on GPT 3.5 architecture, which means it can generate human-like text based on the input it receives. It's pre-trained on a massive dataset, allowing it to handle a wide range of topics and conversations. However, you can fine-tune it for specific tasks or industries to improve its performance. Crafting effective prompts is essential when using ChatGPT. Start with a clear and concise question or instruction. Experiment with different wording to achieve the desired response. You can also use system messages to set the AI's behavior, making it more cooperative or imaginative as needed. ChatGPT can generate lengthy responses, which may not always be desirable. To control the output length, you can set a maximum token limit using the max tokens parameter. This helps ensure that the AI's responses remain concise and to the point. If you find ChatGPT's responses too vague, you can improve specificity by asking for more detailed information. Encourage the AI to provide examples, statistics, or historical context to enrich the content. AI models like ChatGPT can inadvertently produce biased or inappropriate content. To mitigate this, use a moderation layer to filter out harmful or biased responses. Platforms like OpenAI provide guidelines on building such layers. ChatGPT can be a valuable tool for language translation. Input a sentence or phrase in one language, and it can generate a translation in your desired language. However, it may not be as accurate as specialized translation tools for complex documents. ChatGPT can help you generate concise summaries of long articles or documents. Provide the AI with the text you want to summarize and ask it to produce a brief overview. Experiment with the length and style of the summary to meet your specific needs. For programmers, ChatGPT can be an excellent coding assistant. You can ask it coding-related questions or request code snippets for specific tasks. It can provide assistance in multiple programming languages, making it a versatile resource for developers. Content creators can use ChatGPT to generate ideas, headlines, or even entire articles. Describe your topic or provide an outline, and ChatGPT can help you flesh out your content. Remember to review and edit the generated content for accuracy and coherence. To create engaging chatbots or virtual assistants, focus on the user experience. Design conversational flows that feel natural and intuitive. Use system messages to guide the AI's behavior, and iterate based on user feedback to refine the interaction. AI models like ChatGPT benefit from continuous learning. Keep experimenting with different prompts and tasks to improve your understanding of how to get the best results. Stay updated with the latest developments and improvements in AI technology. Lastly, remember the ethical responsibilities when using ChatGPT. Avoid using it for harmful purposes or generating inappropriate content. Encourage responsible AI usage and support ongoing efforts to address AI ethics and safety. ChatGPT is a powerful tool that can enhance various aspects of our lives, from content creation to programming assistance. By mastering these hacks and approaches, you can unlock its full potential while ensuring responsible and ethical usage. As AI technology continues to evolve, ChatGPT and similar models will play an increasingly significant role in our daily tasks and interactions. And that wraps up our journey through the world of AI today. Remember, AI isn't here to replace us. It's here to be our ally. Think of it like having a trusty sidekick on your adventures. Well, in the foreseeable future, AI will excel at specialized tasks, enhancing our daily lives in various ways. But let's not forget that we'll still be the ones setting the course. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give us a thumbs up and comment below your thoughts on AI's future. To stay up to date on all things AI, make sure to hit that subscribe button and ring the notification bell. Let's keep the AI conversation alive here on AI Renaissance. Until next time.